Yeah, it's a little crazy being out here. I agree with you on that. But I'm out here at Garcia Bend again at the Sacramento River. As you can see, there's a little bit of rain, wind, ground's all wet. Hopefully I don't fall though. I saw one fisherman on the way to this spot here. Seen a couple of joggers, but everybody's staying inside. So, but hey, rain or shine, like I always say, if you're a fisherman or you're a hunter, rain or shine, it don't matter. Whenever you have time to get outdoors, you use it. So, and I'm off today, so that's why I'm out here trying to catch even more fish. But yeah, these split tails have been giving me a lot of headaches because the way that they bite, it causes you to miss a lot of hook sets. So I'm still trying to figure them out. It's an ongoing test with myself to make sure that I can get in tune with this type of fishing. So I haven't really followed it or pursued them like I have this year, but the weather's perfect with this type of a fish. So yes, so let's see what's going to happen today here. Like I said, we have pretty much the whole river to ourselves, at least this section of the river. So I'm hoping that the more rain we're getting now is going to increase the number of split tails in our system. That in turn will give us more bites. So let's go. I got a bite, y'all. I can see it even through all this wind. Yeah, that's going to be the other thing. With the wind, it's going to be hard to tell the bites, but if they bite hard like they just did now, I'll be able to see the difference. Oh my God. Oh, wow. That one. Got one. That was less than 10 minutes, guys. Oh, less than 10 minutes. We got ourselves a splitty. Nice female splitty right here. Look at that. Beautiful fish. All right, one down. Got bite. Oh, let's see. Yep, they're still playing with it. Let's see if we do better this time compared to last trip. It's biting. Oh, I missed that one. You see that? I still got a lot to learn about fishing for these split tails. That's why I'm out here. It's not about the fish and how good it is to eat. It's about actually being able to overcome this challenge that I have. And that's to figure these fish out. Now, if they bit like they did the first fish, we wouldn't have any issues, but most of the bites are not like that. This is how you get a fishing spot all to yourself. And That is, go out there when no one else is willing to do so.
Shopify, the commerce platform.
What was that? What was that? God, that was super aggressive. Did y'all see that? Jeez. Surprised it didn't hold on. My advice to all my viewers is don't let a little rain deter you. As long as you're out here prepared with rain-proof gear, dressed warm enough, this is nothing. This sprinkle that we got here, this is no different than talking to somebody who is a close talker. You know what I'm talking about. So yeah, this is nothing. We haven't gotten a bite in about 20 minutes, but I'm not giving up. Let me share with y'all, it's an ancient Asian fishing technique that will make the fish bite whether they want to or not. And what you do is this, so pay attention closely, pay close attention. I learned this from my mom, by the way. This is what you do. Go to the rod, you grab the line, and you imitate the fish biting, right? So you did on one. So now you go on the second rod, and you do the same thing. You grab the line, and you pull it in and then let it go, and then let go, and then you release it. All y'all Asian viewers, y'all know what I'm talking about. Let's see the magic happen. Okay, there's a bite on the left one. It's only taken 3 hours this time for the ancient Asian fishing technique to work. Kind of stop. See, it'll work, but there's no promises that you're gonna hook the fish. Thanks, Mom. Oh, that's good. Oh my goodness, how the heck did I miss that? How the heck did I miss that? How the heck did I miss those bites? Picking up, and as y'all know, I don't like the wind. Rain is one thing, wind is a totally separate matter. Oh man. look at what I got. This, look at this huge crawdad. This actually explains a lot. I've come out here a couple of times and kept getting little nibbles, right? A lot of little bites, but no actual, like, the fish didn't commit and to taking the bait. It was crawdads all along. Look at how big this boy is. Okay. Man, look at that huge claw, y'all. Little lobster. Look at this. I'm so tempted to put my fingers between his claws. So tempted. I always like to test how strong of a grip they got. Yeah, this one might be a little bit too big for me to try. Look at that. So all these other bites that I've been getting were more than likely these crawdads over there just feasting on these worms. That explains why we were having trouble setting the hook on them, because we were thinking they're fish, but we kept missing. Now I have evidence that it was these little suckers right here. Look at that, huge one. All right, well, we gotta let it go. We don't want this anyway. Looks like Mother Nature is trying to give me a hint with all these winds going on. You know how I feel about wind, and I've been proven right today. Once the wind started coming, the bites just ended. So Mother Nature giving me this hint. I think she's trying to tell me to go home. It's dry now, but again, I don't mind the rain. The wind is what messes things up. So I'm gonna have to cut this trip earlier than expected, but you know what? No regrets. Caught one fish, got a couple other bites that I missed on, or some that didn't commit to the bait. So, but yes, it is what it is. We're gonna do this again another day, hopefully under better conditions than what we had today. So, thank you guys for watching, and then I'll see you guys on the next video.